Hi guys, it's Deborah from Heat Transfer Source, and as you know, we have some more printers to sell at the same price that we offered them at a couple of weeks ago. So when I woke up this morning, I thought, you know, I'd like to show them how I use my printer in my home. I live in a small condo in Chicago, and I have a little bit of craft room envy for those of you who have a room to devote to your crafts, because I don't have that luxury. I have a craft table and a craft cart. Anyway, so I have my heat press on this, and I put my printer, my OKI, down here. And today I'm going to do a t-shirt for my grandson using our LP vinyl, which I love. And I'm just going to show you how easy this is, even in limited space. So what I usually do is I pre-print an image just to double check myself, and I just use regular paper for this. Of course, this printer is also a home office printer, so you just want to use regular paper, not your transfer paper. So I see that that's going to fit nicely on here. Kent is really into reptiles. I know, he's 10 years old, but that's his thing right now. And this happens to be something that he wants. It's only $300. It's a lizard for $300. And it's called a blue tongue skank or skate or something like that. Anyway, he's dying for a t-shirt with this ugly thing on it. So I've set our media type to labels. I'm on a Mac, by the way, and also we're putting these on our YouTube channel, so you'll be able to see how we set our settings, the printer settings for both PC and Mac. My paper size is A4. My media type is labels. My paper feed is multi-purpose tray. So I'm going to load our LP vinyl watermarks down, push the blue button so it grabs the paper, and now I'm going to print. And it prints from this middle multi-purpose tray and comes out the back. I've lowered the back tray so it'll go through a direct pass through and come out. And here, here it is. It's really ugly. But as you can see, the transfer paper looks exactly like the 4-color image. Okay, now we're going to put it on. Okay, now for me, I disconnected my printer, and now I'm going to connect my Cricut in order to print, and I'm printing some type on LP vinyl. So again, I don't have to mirror image, and the type says, "Welcome to the family." I cracked myself up. Okay, I think I'm using LP vinyl because I made a pattern vinyl from it. I just think this would look kind of cool, this pattern vinyl, with that gorgeous mug, don't you? With LP vinyl, you can use heat press or home iron, but just keep it simple. And we have 2 packages for our printers. One package is with that you will use a heat press if you already have one, and we're giving you 3 transfer paper packets with that: RST Wood, LP vinyl, and NoWeed Foil. And we also are offering a package with the printer with just that you don't need to use a heat press, and you can use a home iron with the LP vinyl, or you can use glue or Mod Podge with the RST Wood. All right, this is my favorite thing. We just happen to sell it, but even if we didn't, I'd still buy it. I think Chris calls it a Tweety, and it's just so nice and sharp and perfect for weeding. Look how easily this pulls up. I'm telling you, I love this stuff. Okay, so here we are. On to the next step. Now all we have to do is cut the image with a pair of scissors or your cutter, plotter, and then we're going to squeegee the image onto some transfer tape, and then we're going to iron it. You don't want to move it around too much. It's not like regular ironing. You want to kind of leave it in place and then give it as much pressure as you can. I read on our Facebook group how one woman puts her image on the floor underneath a cookie sheet with the iron on top of the cookie sheet and stands on it. But I know for sure I would fall off the iron and break it and a leg. You really don't have to use a release paper, but because all of this transfer tape does is just hold the image in place. And that's done. That's the newest member of my family. Thanks, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please head over to our YouTube channel and subscribe. And remember to hit that bell so you'll be notified of all our new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.